Hey, Dr. Brett.
Hey, Ashley.
Here you are, 5'8", 165, 175.
Yeah, I wish. So now I'm down to 155. I got fucking lean here.
Who do you think you could stand the chances in the ring with?
No, I'm busted up all over the place. I mean, I think, you and I would be close right now. I mean, my wrist is so damaged from that severe fracture. And then I've got the freaking knee that, I tore my meniscus, and then the left ankle's no good, and I have a severe back injury. I've got holes in me everywhere. I'm proud of it on some level, but some of them were dumb, meaning I just went unconscious or whatever. But I've had so many injuries, especially to my spine and everything. So my fighting days are beyond me. I think I need a weapon.
So if we give you a gun, do you still think Conor McGregor won't beat you up?
With a gun?
I think he can eat the bullet.
I think I could stay poised enough to, shoot him. Because a lot of times, people say all the time that, if you're not experienced, you're going to miss because you get nervous or whatever.
No break.
But I think I could stay poised enough to defend myself. I don't know. We'll see.
Nice.